Friends, today let's see how to make a super easy and super fast Dreamcatcher using OHP sheet. This craft can be easily made and used in a variety of ways. So let's go and see the step-by-step procedure of making a OHP sheet craft. Friends, this is the part 1 video of the OHP sheet Dreamcatcher, where we will see how to make the template for the sunflower theme used in the Dreamcatcher. Do watch the part 2 video of coloring the Dreamcatcher, where some tips are shared to use the glass colors efficiently. Friends, let's start the project by making a template for the Dreamcatcher. For making the template, let's take a plain A4 size white sheet paper. Draw circles of 3.5 cm and 4 cm as shown. Now let's draw a bigger circle of 10 cm. Draw a straight line in the center of the circle, place a protractor and mark 20 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 80, 100, 120, 140 and 160 as shown. Join the points through the center, making lines as shown. Now again let's take the compass with 10 cm width. Placing the compass points on the circle, make arcs all around the circle. These arcs will make a flower pattern after completing. If the petals are not joining, erase the tip of the petal and join at the lines. Now placing the pointer on the inner circle, make semicircles as shown. We can also make a freehand semicircle also. Make a flower joining the two slots in the smaller circle in the grid. Also add small circles around the flower and also at the intersection of the bigger petals. Now let's make a smaller circle of 9.5 cm inside the circle between the petals. Also add a small semicircle here too. Also add semicircles on the outer side of the circle to hang the hangings we are going to make from the leaf decoration. Here our template is ready. Erase all the grid lines apart from the design required. Similarly, let's make a smaller center design template again. Here let's take 4.5 cm and 5 cm for the circles. Proceed the design as we did earlier. To make the leaves, make a small circle and a line of 6 inches. Make veins and shape up the leaf as shown. Similarly, make another big leaf template of 7 inches in length. We need 3 pieces of the bigger leaves and 2 pieces of the smaller leaves for our project, Dreamcatcher. Here are templates for the Dreamcatcher sunflower theme is ready. Do watch the part 2 video of the OHP sheet Dreamcatcher to watch how to use the 3D outliner and the glass colors to complete the Dreamcatcher. Friends, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching the video.